Welcome! If you're looking to keep your favorite Instagram stories front and center, adding them to your highlights is the perfect way to do it, even from your PC with the latest Instagram update. Today, I'll walk you through every step to make sure your best moments are always just a click away. First, open the Instagram app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're in, look down to the left bottom corner of your screen and click on your profile photo. This will take you straight to your profile page. Now, under your bio, you'll see your highlights section. These are the circles that showcase your saved stories. Find the highlight you want to add more stories to, and click on it to open. At the top of the highlight, you'll notice 3 dots. Click on those 3 dots to open a menu. From the options that appear, select Edit. Then, click Next to move forward. You'll now be taken to a screen where you can see all your stories. Scroll through and select the stories you want to add to this highlight. You can pick one or several. Just click on each story to select it. Once you've chosen your stories, confirm your selection. Instagram will now update your highlight with the new stories you've picked. And that's it. Your highlight now features your latest and greatest moments, all easily accessible from your profile. This new update makes it easier than ever to keep your highlights fresh, directly from your PC. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more easy tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and enjoy sharing your memories on Instagram.